Hey YouTube, it is me. So it's just a regular vlog, really quick regular vlog. So nothing really related. So as you can see, I do have the hiccups, pretty bad. I've been having it for the hour. The reason why I did not get rid of them yet is because I do have a toothache, so I put Orajel. So I wanted the Orajel to work before I use to drink anything to get rid of this hiccup. So I want to show you guys the trick. I know I did this video once before, but I want you to see it again because you guys don't think it works. But of course, it's a bottle, not sponsored, but you don't have to necessarily be Avion. Give you any water. It can be even tap water. So let me just wait for the next hiccup. Of course, I'm going to unscrew it. One more hiccup. Okay. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take a whole mouthful of water. Let's see. So basically what you do is take a whole mouthful of water, hold the water, close your ears, swallow, swallow, swallow until there's no more water in your mouth, and let your ears go. And it works. Works really well for me. See, I got no more hiccups. No more. It's funny, right? Done. So hey, if you guys need some more other tricks to get rid of something, let me know. But that's your trick to get rid of hiccups. Bye guys. See ya.